The difference between a code and a standard has been erased over the years. When I started, in this arena, it was a much clearer definition. A code would tell you where and when to build. The standard told you how to install, how to maintain. But now standards are also written in mandatory language. For example, the codes to be enforced have to use legal terms. For something to be mandatory, it cannot be a may, it has to be a shall. You shall do this. A standard may be more of an advisory document. It may have permissive language, which the code is very strict about. If it's meant to be enforced, it has to be written in legal terms. So the definition between a code and standard, they're almost interchangeable now. There are some minor changes, but we hear all the time codes and standards being called the standards for building or the codes for building, but the model codes, another way for me to explain, the model codes provide a regulatory framework for the standards. So the building code, for example, is your legal document. It's the driver. Then the standards that are referenced in the model code, if the state or the city adopts that code, and unless it takes out specific standards, those standards become automatically the law of that city or jurisdiction through the adoption of the model code.